I've got a Briggs & Stratton Intek V-twin that would not start except when primed through the carb. Changed vacuum fuel pump, carburetor and fuel line. Also replaced spark plugs. Still will not start without priming and only runs on gas that I pour in carb. Then it stops. Any ideas?
The carburetor has electric solenoid in the carburetor. Is it getting 12 volts as soon as the key is turned on? It plugs the main jet and engine gets no fuel if it doesn't open. https://www.partstreet.com/parts/Briggs & Stratton/engines vertical engine with electric starter /40777702680E1 Briggs Stratton engine electric starter /carburetor fuel supply /276 in the link above. You have old carburetor with one in it? Remove the solenoid, remove the inner tip, and install it in the new carburetor as a dummy for test.
It opens. I hear a click when I turn the key. The old carb had a different style solenoid.
Do you have fuel getting to the carburetor from the fuel pump? Where is the fuel coming from? Top of tank through a suction pipe? Or from the bottom of tank?
Bottom of the tank. Made sure fuel was getting through the filter but am not sure how to check at carb. Should I disconnect the line at the carb and see if anything comes out? If that's the case, then nothing.
Remove the hose at the carburetor and crank engine to see if the fuel is being pumped to carb.
No fuel coming out of line. Could the vacuum line from the cylinder fail? The fuel pump is new and the line from the valve cover seems to be good. I have ordered a new vacuum line.
The line from the valve cover is the P-pulse line. The other two lines are one from tank, suction, and the other goes to the carburetor. There is no vacuum line.
Well, I get no fuel out of the line. What powers the fuel pump?
The pistons moving in the cylinders and out through the pulse line at the valve cover. Do you feel a pulse at the line from the valve cover when cranking?
No, I feel nothing.
Is the hose open? Engine closed up, dipstick tube in place? Crankcase has to be sealed. Remove the valve cover if no pulse. And check the breather in the valve cover.
The only thing removed is the flywheel cover. Wanted access to the engine. What breather? The hose just goes into the top of the valve cover?
No baffle under the valve cover?
None. 3 weeks ago it ran. Last week I tried starting it and nothing.
But it will run if you put fuel in the carburetor?
It will.
Makes no sense that there is no pulse, the pistons have to be moving. I assume the hole in the valve cover is wide open.
It is. That's why I contacted you.
And you are sure there is no pulse? It will not be strong, less than 2 pounds if you could measure it. Do you have a vacuum gauge/fuel pressure gauge to test it?
No, I don't. Is there a way I could fill the bowl of the carburetor before I try to start it? Wish I had a balloon? I could see if it moved.
Just by funneling fuel into the inlet of the carburetor. But if fuel pump is not pumping, it won't run but a minute. You do have the fuel pump hoses correct on the 3-hose pump. http://gardentractorpullingtips.com/images/fastpump1.gif. See link above.
The center hose is connected to the valve cover. The side outlet is connected to the carb. The remaining connection goes to the fuel filter. Light is getting dim and maybe the vacuum hose is leaking. When the new hose comes, I will try again. How can I pay you for your time? That is how I have it set up.
You have to rate in a positive manner to close and get me credit. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.